Alright guys, so I know I haven't been vlogging in a long time, alright, maybe like a week or two, but anyways, I got a big surprise for you guys. So I've honestly been taking so fucking long because I've been trying to buy a freaking car for the longest. Now yeah, I do buy and sell cars every so now and then, but long story short, I've been looking for a Z32 for the longest, a twin turbo version for the longest, and I saw probably like maybe like 4 of them, okay, and they were all trash. There was rod knocking, fucking thing was leaking oil, thing was freaking gas was going everywhere. It was not good. But today is a lucky day because today I got my dream car, man. Alright guys, so what I'm about to show you guys is, I can't show you guys the car yet, but it's very classified. Not even Trump could get his hands on this, but here we go. Alright guys, so that's the car, but there are some secret things about this car that people are not gonna know for a reason because it's stock. But anyways, as you guys can see, it is a twin turbo. I think that one of the best features about this car, besides the engine, is probably the seats. I don't know if you guys could see clearly in the little thing I did for you guys, but look at that baby. Oh my god. Sadly it is an automatic, but your mom's a hoe, so don't judge me. I know these rims, it does have some drill bit rotors in there, but they squeak like a motherfucker because I need to change the damn brake pads and it's not looking good. It does have some different type of piping for the charge pipes. See, new headlights. There are some fucked up little cracks on it, but I mean, that's a Z32. What can you do? I mean, under here, I have this cardboard just in case a leak happens, but I haven't seen a leak yet, so fuck it. We'll see what happens in the morning. So I don't know. This thing supposedly has a freaking modified exhaust, but this shit's quiet as hell. I don't even know what it is. It says what does that say? Sebring? I think that's what it said. Sebring. I've never heard of that brand in my life. But, so some details about the car. It has about, 140,000 miles on it. It's twin turboed. Let's see what else we got. Fuck. Shit. It's a clean titled. That's one thing really good because it's hard to find one of these things clean titled. The high cast was already removed, but I think he lied to me because the back still moves, so what the fuck. Another thing about this car is that there are some problems with it, like the speedometer for the speed limit doesn't work, so if a cop pulls me over, well, fuck it. But there are some other things. Let's see what else is a problem. Supposedly there's a leak, okay, but I've checked and I didn't see anything, and I don't know, I have it there just in case because ain't nobody trying to get it on their beautiful floor. So yeah, there's that. The brakes are bad. And then there's an idle problem, which I'm pretty sure, because I've had one of these already, that it's an injector problem. And it's so common on these Z32s that they fucking break all the time because they're plastic and shit. But yeah guys, that's that. But I also got another surprise for you guys. Let me take you guys inside real quick. Up on my knee. But check this out, guys. So the guy was kind enough, because I drove hella far, that he gave me some slicks. Now these are 285 on the bottom, and I don't know the size, they might be like 18 or 19, and the top ones are 255. And these are the rims. They're flat right now because well, I mean, they have air, but like I don't know, I don't trust it yet, so I'm gonna take it to the tire shop probably tomorrow, fill them up, and then switch them out with the rims I got now. But the big surprise is that this guy, he left me brand new intercoolers, big ass fucking intercoolers. Now, long story short, guys, let me get to the garage real quick. Okay, guys, so long story short, when I bought it off the guy, he told me that this thing was pushing 15 pounds. And you know, most people that say stuff like that, they lie about it. But I raced my cousin, FreshUpgrade, or Sticker Money, or Chewy. My cousin, he has a Corvette, right? And this thing beat it. This freaking Nissan beat it. Now, I beat it by like a little bit, but the only reason why it was by a little bit is because I had no traction. Like, no traction at all. Like, if I show you right now, the front, the back are even worse, but my finger, nothing. But I was slipping so hard that I almost crashed and hit somebody. I don't know if it can beat it exactly. I mean, I could have kept going, but I passed him by a little bit, and then we both braked because we got, you know, cars in front of us. But this was all in Mexico, just saying. All right, guys, this is all in Mexico. But yeah, he gave me some big intercoolers. So the only thing that I think what could make this faster is if I fix the injector, and if I change out those intercoolers, because that's a big restriction to myself right now, or for the car, because you know, more airflow, more everything. And I'm gonna change out this exhaust too, because the fuck, who has a Z with the stock exhaust? You know, twin turbo too. Everybody wants to hear the whistles from a blow-off valve, and these ones are stuck, so I'm gonna have to do a lot of work. But I just wanted to show you guys real quick why I've been taking so long, and you'll be seeing more from me. I also do go to school, so it's a little bit hard to keep up, but I promise you I'll do my best, and I'll keep my word on trying to upload, okay? But other than that, I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. Make sure to leave something that you guys want me to do in the comments. Anything you guys want. First mod, it's up to you guys. If not, I'll do it myself, because fuck it. But yeah, make sure to leave a like, comment, and thumbs up. See you guys.
Let me down easy.